Are you ready to expose your content to an audience that has never seen your content before? In this video, I'll show you how to create, optimize, and post YouTube Shorts so it grabs viewers' attention and makes your message shine. Does that sound like something you can use? Here's how to create a short just using your phone. Tap the YouTube app, tap the plus sign, tap create a short, tap 15 to record a 60-second short. If you use a strong hook in the first few seconds of your video, it's more likely your viewers will continue watching the shorts video. Hold down the red button to record a video clip. Now I'm recording a video clip. Let it go. You can see at the top here I've got that recording. Keep in mind you can string multiple video clips together in the same shorts video, which I'll show you how to do later. If you want to add sound to the video clip, tap add sound. You can search for a song or just select one of the ones that's shown. You can select calm down. Tap the arrow. If you want to undo this action and start again, tap undo. If you want to redo it, tap redo. You can also save it as a draft if you wish and use that clip later. Here are some of the tools you can use to edit your shorts. If you want to see all your editing options, tap the arrow. Now you can flip the screen, add effects, increase speed. Just move the slide to the left or the right. Add a timer. So you can add a countdown before you record. 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds. And you can drag to change where the recording stops. So I could stop it at 32. Tap start to start the countdown. Tap green screen to add a green screen. You can use a background picture from your camera roll. After you selected it, tap done. I can also pinch my image and move it around on the screen if I wish. Tap retouch to retouch your image. Tap filters to add a filter. Tap lighting to adjust the lighting. Here's how to string multiple clips together. If you want to add a clip from your camera roll, tap the icon on the left. Tap on your clip. You can adjust the video by moving the slider to the right and move the slider to the left. That'll choose that particular segment. When you're happy with it, tap done. If you want to preview what you've recorded, tap the arrow. If you want to add another clip from your camera roll or record another video clip, tap the back button. I'm going to tap on the image icon to add another video clip. I'm going to tap on this one with a bird. If I want to adjust this video clip, move the handle to the right, move the other handle to the left. So I've just got that particular segment. If I want to preview what I've recorded, tap the check. Here's how to enhance your video so it increases engagement. If I want to adjust the music, tap adjust, and drag to adjust the sound, tap done. If I want to add text, tap text, tap done. I can move the text around on the screen wherever I like. Or I can just add it to the trash box if I want to trash it. If you want to add some more text, tap text again. Add some more text, tap done. Tap timeline to adjust the text. So while this text coming in first, I can move this text to come in second and tap done. Here's the first text, I can move it around. Here's the second text. I can trash it if I want. I can also add a voiceover, tap voiceover. I can tap or hold to record audio. Tap or hold to record audio. If I want to undo the recording, tap undo. If I want to redo it, tap redo. If I want to adjust the volume, tap volume. So I got the original sound. I can adjust the music. I can adjust the volume of the voiceover. If I want to add some filters, tap filters. I got no filter, pop, dreamy, soft. I'm just going to go with no filter, tap done, tap next. Now you're ready to upload and schedule your video to be published and available to the public. Create a title that represents the content of your shorts video. Your title is what viewers first see when scrolling shorts feed on their phones. So create a title that makes people curious to want to tap and check out your video. I can add a hashtag. If I tap visibility, I can select visibility, public, unlisted, private, or I can also schedule it. Tap schedule. I can schedule it for a particular day. 15th of March, tap OK. I can choose the time, tap OK. Tap the back button. So visibility is scheduled. No, it's not made for kids. I can save it as a draft by tapping Save Draft. If I tap Upload Short, it'll be published as a short on my channel and be available to the public. Here's how the shorts appear on the Shorts tab in the YouTube app. Tap on the 3 dots next to the short to edit it. I can save it to a playlist, share the video, edit advanced settings in Studio, or delete it. So I tap Edit. I've added a title, description. I've set the visibility to public. It's not made for kids, and add some tags. If you want to add a custom thumbnail to your short so it appears in Google search, click the link in the description. How can viewers find my shorts? Viewers can find shorts by tapping on the dedicated Shorts tab at the bottom of the screen using the YouTube app. After a viewer clicks on a short, they can scroll to watch more shorts. You can also discover shorts on the YouTube homepage, then scroll horizontally to view more shorts. If you click on a short, you can scroll vertically to watch more shorts. If you tap on your subscriptions feed, you'll also see shorts. Shorts can also be discovered in YouTube search and Google search when people enter that search term in the search bar. Shorts will also appear on the YouTube channel homepage if you add a shorts section. You can also watch shorts on your smart TVs, gaming consoles, and streaming devices. If you tap on your content tab in YouTube Studio, you'll notice there's a dedicated shorts tab at the top. If you tap on analytics, you'll see the number of likes and subscribers in the last 28 days, how many chose to view, how many swiped away, your top shorts, how viewers find your shorts, external sites, YouTube search terms, content suggesting you, and playlists featuring you. If you tap on a short to view its individual analytics, you will see the views, subscribers, estimated revenue, audience retention, top traffic sources, if it was shown in the feed, how many chose to view, percentage that swiped away, how viewers find the video, external sites or apps, YouTube search terms, content suggesting this video, and playlists featuring the short. Here are some best practices when making your shorts so you can improve engagement and get more views. The first few seconds of a short will determine if the viewer will watch all the way through. Therefore, create a strong hook in those first few seconds.
You kind of need to establish in the first 2 to 3 seconds why someone should watch this all the way till the end.
If you aim for a retention rate that is close to 100%, there's a high probability your short will do well.
If you're landing in like the 35 to 45 second range and driving over 90% retention, it's pretty likely going to go somewhat viral.
Try to tell a story in your shorts video so it keeps viewers watching all the way through.
One thing we noticed with some of our shorts that weren't doing as well is we were kind of delivering a lot of the information up top, and then there was no reason to keep watching.
One way to keep viewers' attention throughout your shorts video is to use lots of B-roll every few seconds. Keep in mind that your shorts loop, so pace your content accordingly and encourage replayability. So are shorts worth it? Currently, YouTube Shorts receives over 15 billion views per day. Therefore, I highly recommend going all in on shorts. You can also use shorts to promote your long-form videos by editing your long-form video into a short. A link to the original video will appear at the end of your short. Click the link in the description to learn how to edit a long-form video into a short. You can also reply to a comment with a short, and the person that left the comment will be notified about the short. The short will also appear in the comment. Click the link in the description to learn how to reply to a comment with a short. With shorts, you have the ability to reach new audiences that you can't reach with long-form videos because your shorts videos appear in the shorts feed when somebody's scrolling their phone using the YouTube app. They're also easier and faster to make because you can just use your phone. They're a great way to attract a lot of views fast and grow your channel. What if you don't want to use a phone to make a short? Can you make and upload a short from your PC or laptop? Watch this video on the screen right now on how to make and upload a short from your PC. You'll be glad you did.